Improving the space using interior design is vital on the most direct level. A good interior design makes a space more functional. That is done by making it more suitable for the goal for which it is being created. A well-designed space using the interior design is not just stylishly unique. Yet it is also a way to confirm that everything in the room serves a valid purpose. Interior designs let one exhibit one's nature. The ways one has decked their space recall their taste. The message a space conveys is carefully evaluated in interior design. Whether one aims to design a living space or a business site, there are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use in your interior design. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. It's not unusual for people to confuse decorating with interior design, however there are many differences between the two professions. When learning how to become an interior designer, people realize it entails much more than coordinating decorations, and as such, the terms should not be used interchangeably. Interior design is both a science and an art. It's a method through which both functionality and feel come into play. It is a profession that moves far beyond visual decor to encompass systematic and coordinated methodology in order to create spaces that satisfy the practical and cultural needs of the occupants. Interior design adds artistic quality to one's home or firm place. Interior designers do this job. Interior architects also aid in enhancing the appearance of the room. Interior architects alter a naturally looking place into an attractive place. Interior architects do this by waving their magical rods. Wasted space is the bane of any homeowner. Unusable or underutilized areas in a brand new home built to your specifications are doubly frustrating. Designers make sure this doesn't happen. They assess every meter of your new home to verify that it's contributing to the finished whole. Functionality is just part of a designer's job, though. They provide solutions that aren't just useful, they're also attractive. Designers don't believe in, "It's ugly but it works." They are dedicated to finding elegant solutions that will look as good as they perform. One of the main miracles of interior design is that it permits one to get the most use out of your available space. It employs relative values and vigor. Interior design fashions make a smaller area have a unique look. There is a need to cite that one chief thing is evaluated while interior designing. The principal thing that is considered is comfort. For the actuality of this purpose, interior designers find patterns. In an interior design project, the architects find ways to meet the client's needs. Thus, interior designs makes end users' life comfier. Trendy interior design also highlights usable beauty. The latest technologies are employed to confirm maximum comfort in the rooms. Designing a bathroom is highly relevant, as it is one of the most valuable rooms in any residence. However, they should also be amiable. The interior design creates a usable work of art. Raising the value of one's space is another benefit of interior design. The house will be worth more after exalting the interior design. If you feel inspired, interior designing is the best way to boost your home. It is a vital piece to recall when considering the chance of putting your house on the market in the future. Due to this reason, having a plan in place at the proper time is valuable. Planning the design projects will confirm that the right decisions are made. Interior design is a perfect way to improve the overall appeal of one's property. The property's value can be boosted using slight changes such as fresh paint or new flooring. Crucial measures are made to ensure that beauty stands for a durable period. Because just creating an excellent property is not adequate. On top of that, every house is vital for planned continuity. In time, a sensible designed interior aid in effortless home upkeep. Resultantly, mishaps are not likely to occur because the interior designed house is safe. And thus, the damages are very rare. The interior design of the space makes one feel pleased. Moreover, the space's interior design is something special that can stun one's visitors. Interior designing is a pleasure. Interior designing permits to design one's space into what is solely self-satisfied. Whether it is kitchen design or the warmth of bathroom design, your spices are added via interior designing. Interior design is helpful to make your home express your unique touch. You should also consider the way the home building industry evolves over time. Certain features, fittings, and styles come into favor while others fall by the wayside. If you're committed to building a home tailored uniquely to you, you want to make sure you get close to the cutting edge. Your interior designer will make sure your home is visually appealing, with design elements that won't look dated in just a few short years. You'll also enjoy the full benefits of the latest and greatest innovations in building techniques, equipment, and furnishings, everything from luxury appliances to energy-efficient glazing. This all translates into a home that's worth bragging about. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.